Hi everyone, me Professor Ashwini Agarwal, inventor C-Seed, career selection, motivator also people call me sometime, I don't know. See, the main game is today I am going to talk about a little bit about C-Seed and what is the purpose of this inventing this C-Seed. आज मैं इस बारे में बात करूंगा, C-Seed के बारे में बात करूंगा और ये कैरियर से कैसे रिलेटेड है. एक्चुअली ये जब से कोरोना कोविड-19 का जो भय ज्यादा फैला है और मतलब उसके इफेक्ट तो देखे ही हैं. कितने कितने लोग एक साथ मारे गए, मतलब और पूरा वर्ल्ड अफेक्टेड है, पूरा वर्ल्ड अफेक्ट हो गया इससे. तो कारण क्या है? कारण तो कुछ भी होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही. लेकिन अब प्रॉब्लम क्या आ गई है कि अब लोगों के कैरियर सारे के सारे बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज अफेक्ट हो गई, कैरियर लोगों के डिस्टर्ब हो गए. अब पता ही नहीं लग रहा लोगों को कि करे क्या. आजकल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के नाम पर देखो आप तो लोगों को कितना बहकाया जा रहा है. मेरे को मतलब हैरानी होती है कि लोगों को बस कुछ करने को है ही नहीं. पहले वो एनालॉग मार्केटिंग को कहते थे, उसको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कहना शुरू कर दिया. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मतलब आप सोशल मीडिया को यूज कर रहे हो. उफ, कैसे होगा काम, कैसे चलेगी जिंदगी जब अगर कैरियर ही आपका बीमार है और आप रास्ता भी बीमारी वाला फॉलो कर रहे हो तो कैसे चलेगा काम. अभी तो लोगों को एनालॉग और डिजिटल में फर्क ही नहीं पता. डिजिटल आ गया पर डिजिटल से पहले क्या था ये पता ही नहीं है किसी को. किसी ने बात ही नहीं करी उसके बारे में. डिजिटल के बारे में बात करना शुरू कर दिया. अरे भैया, डिजिटल से पहले क्या होता है ये पता है तुम्हें? डिजिटल से पहले था एनालॉग. एनालॉग जो है चल रहा था और अब डिजिटल की बात करनी शुरू कर दी. उसमें क्या किया क्या? कोई चेंज नहीं है, मतलब एब्सोल्युटली कोई चेंज नहीं है. रेस्ट अश्योर कोई चेंज नहीं है. वही का वही दिमाग है, वही का वही काम है, वही का वही है. लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि एनालॉग लाइफ ने लोगों को गुमराह किया और हमें कोरोना जैसी भयंकर त्रासदी को सहने को मजबूर कर दिया. ये एनालॉग लाइफ का कमाल है या हम लोग डिजिटल के नाम पे एनालॉग लाइफ को ही डिजिटल के नाम पे परोस रहे हैं. फर्क तो समझना पड़ेगा हमें. पब्लिक अगर ये फर्क नहीं समझेगी तो कैसे काम चलेगा. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. वी हैव एनालॉग बिफोर डिजिटल. If there is no analog, digital does not exist. And analog is full of problems. And make sure that digital does not have those problems. Otherwise, there is no point having digital. Analog or digital is same. Get rid of this confusion. Faucology has arrived. It has given everything to actually understand what is the difference between analog and digital. C-Seed. I have invented that. And how did I invented that? How did I know? Because I am a technical person. I am an engineer from Indian Institute of Science, the most prestigious institute in the country and probably in the world also. I wouldn't compare any other institute which can be compared with IISc, Bangalore. Perfect institution, perfect environment, beautiful way of imparting education. Absolutely perfect, I would say. I have graduated from there. I know that place very well. And I have understood that place very well. Now I don't know. I am talking about 1979-82. I was there in these 3 years. I have spent full 3 years of my peak of my life there. Peak of life. Peak of life means the age of, you can say, 79 means I was how much old? 60 is my birth. So 79 means 19 years. 19 to 22, 3 premier years of my life I have spent in that institute. You can imagine. And I was one of those, not scholar, but one of those who did a project which was real life project. Very few people do real life projects. And that changed the direction from analog to digital. Way of living. The thought philosophy has become digital. But earlier we had analog life, and if we are just talking about all the things given by analog life, and with the name digital, because we are giving name digital, but we are not talking about analog. Without considering analog life, you cannot have digital life. You cannot even imagine what digital life is. So first you have to understand analog life. Analog life is nothing but full of problems, diseases, mainly infections, all kind of infections. 5 layers of body. A living person has 5 layers. This has been talked about a lot in the earlier videos. You will be surprised. I don't think now this is a surprise. Why digital people are not talking about analog life at all. No one takes the name of analog life. So that you cannot compare. Whatever you had in analog life, the same will remain in digital life also, if you do not understand the difference between analog and digital. C-seed technology is the perfect technology which will help you understand first the difference between analog life and digital life. Analog carrier, digital carrier, tremendous difference. Analog carrier can never give you luxury. Digital carrier alone can give you luxury of all kind, whatever possible you can think of. So, understand, but C-seed everyone has, mind it. Each person on planet Earth has C-seed. Human being I am talking about. Live human being I am talking about exactly. But it was when we started talking of digital, analog and digital, then we realized C-seed is the key to have digital carrier. Till now, we had all analog. That is why so much of infection in carrier. It gives stress, it gives disturbances in family. I mean, carrier, how can it give disturbance in family? Or a family, how can it disturb your carrier? But today, if your carrier is a little bit successful, little bit I would say, it will give you only stress. Okay, you have accepted stress and then your career is successful, but your family life, look at it. It's totally gone. Without family, can you enjoy life? Absolutely not possible. Practically not possible. Sanatan life, if you want to achieve Sanatanta practically in your life, Sanatanta life is called digital life. Sanatanta life is called digital life. No infection, no diseases in the entire family, not only you. So, adopting digital carrier is a must for each person, and that cannot be made without understanding the C-seed, kind of C-seed I have, or in each individual has. C-seed conveys whether you can become a good manager or you should become a leader. Why you want to become a manager if you can become a leader? If you can become a good guru, why should you become a teacher? teacher limited, highly limited capabilities, because fixed syllabus, you cannot go beyond it, you cannot do anything but the remaining into the confined small well, कुआं, जो कहते हैं ना, कूप मंडूक कहते हैं उसको, कुएं के मेंढक। अगर टीचर हैं तो आप कुएं के मेंढक बनने के लिए मजबूर हैं उसके लाइफ रहने के लिए। क्यों? क्योंकि यू आर दैट कुआ इज सिलेबस, यू आर बाइंडेड विद इट। और गुरु totally bindingless, absolutely in terms, and that if Guru gives you guidance, wonderful. You can see it in your, general life. Mother is supposed to be a guru of the child, newborn child. Why? Because she takes care of it in all directions, all dimensions. She tries to take care of the kids. Husband is a guru of wife, because he tries to take care of everything what wife requires. So if you are a teacher, maybe in school etc., wherever teacher is required, fine. But in life, digital life, teachers have to become guru only. They have no choice. Teachers no more will be required if you want to decide to lead digital life instead of analog. Teacher can teach you only analog life living. Guru alone can teach you digital life living. No other choice possible, available. And to become guru, you have to understand what seed you have. Seed. Here people are listening, so they are doing some comments, but doesn't matter. You can find seed technology I was talking about, and digital life and analog life. Comparison, you have to compare analog life and digital life and then decide whether you would like to remain only in analog life, talked about in digital, or you want to actually lead digital life. And mind it, analog life means all those problems which you had earlier will remain. Today is 15 August, a perfect day to explain this. That is why I am making this video. Otherwise I had no plans, but I realized that today 15 August, the Swatantrata Divas, so we should get Swatantrata from analog life, shift to digital life. I pledge I will shift my analog life to digital life, not for myself but for my family and for my neighborhood and for my countrymen and for my fellow human beings, for the benefit of each human person on planet Earth. I pledge to shift my analog life to digital life. CC technology helps you understanding that how you can migrate from analog life to digital life like this and adopt it. Understand CC capabilities, what capabilities are given your CC to you, what capabilities, what bento mind has given you the CC, and then cultivate it. Convert your life into digital from analog, shift, migrate from analog world to digital world. स्वतंत्रता किससे? स्वतंत्रता एनालॉग लाइफ से, और एडॉप्शन डिजिटल लाइफ. स्वतंत्रता चाहिए मुझे एनालॉग लाइफ से, आजादी चाहिए मुझे एनालॉग लाइफ से, और डिजिटल लाइफ चाहिए. कंफ्यूजन में मत रहना. डिजिटल और एनालॉग दोनों समझो. लाइफ डिजिटल इज परफेक्ट, डिजीज फ्री, कष्ट फ्री, assured assured death, painless, pain-free, with full time span. Sanatanta is digital life. Digital life is Sanatan life. Must understand this. It has been explained beautifully by Phycology. Beautifully. Understand your seed, adopt it, cultivate it, and migrate to digital life instantly. Here, instantly doesn't mean in 1 second. Sorry, cultivation takes time. Cultivation, if you look at the life, cultivation, when you conceive, cultivation begins. It takes 10 months. Oh, 9 months hote the? No, that is the difference. When we are talking about analog life, we know only 9 months. But actually, digital life conveyed us that you are 10 months old when you are delivered. Full lifespan if you have spent in your womb, in the womb of your mother. Digital life is full time span enjoyed thoroughly. Sanatan life, digital life, mind it. Digital life, Sanatan life. If you understand this, shifting from analog life to digital life is the key to get freedom. Actual freedom from analog life is making life enjoyable digitally. Don't say that in digital language I am trying to live analog life itself. No point. Shift to digital life itself. And then you see your life, how enjoyable your life is. Your family life. Most luxurious life. If you are able to live with your family, that is ultimate. Hence, try to migrate to digital life by understanding your seed. Mind it. There was a interview done by Life Within some 2-3 days back, and there, if you listen to that in interview, you will realize that how professional career can be improved unlimitedly if you understand your seed. Each individual has seed and it has to be cultivated. You cannot afford it to get evolved. It has to be cultivated very well in right direction with full dedication. भक्ति के साथ, पूर्ण भक्ति के साथ, डेडिकेशन के साथ. भक्ति is nothing but dedication. Full strength, full dedication required to cultivate the seed present in you. It gets awakened automatically. So it's not to be awakened, it is awakened already. The only thing is cultivation is missing. Let it not evolve. Let it cultivate. And you should cultivate that. But you can cultivate only when you know what kind of seed I have. What is the quality of my seed? Quality means what is the kind of bent of mind I have for what kind of profession. It is best to understand this seed by parents before getting into education. Current education policy is almost confirming this. At the age of 11, you should be well aware of your seed capabilities and start learning to use that seed cultivation so that you have failure-free education and perfect professional career. So, pledge today that I will migrate from analog life to digital life to have my family life digital. Absolute terms. I am not talking about analog is no absolution. It is a. Whereas when we talk of digital, It is absolute, and absolute living life disease free is possible. Family life, disease free family life with family relations, disease free relations, absolutely possible. Jealousy is the biggest problem in making team. Jealousy is the biggest problem in making professional team. Profession cannot be made successful if you do not become a member of the team. How to get rid of jealous? Today, only that technology has come. I don't know, internet you have to search and you will find that you can easily achieve the protection for self, that other person's jealousy do not disturb your profession, your career. Jealousy is always with other person. Very, very important to be understood that jealousy of other person should not affect your career. So you have to protect yourself. Understand that. That is digital life. Your digital life is that other person's jealousy will not affect your career at all. Other person's jealousy will not affect your family life. That is digital family. You can very well assess that if somebody else's jealousy disturbs your family's life, that means you are living analog life. Very simple to estimate. If your professional life is giving you stress because of somebody else's jealousy, that means you are living analog life. Shift to digital life, and other person's jealousy will not disturb your life for sure. Other person's jealousy will not affect your family life at all. So, if we have to live in this world healthy, jealousy factor of others should not disturb your life. That is possible only if you are living digital life, your family is living digital life. And first, it is easier for males to shift to digital life. You know that. Do you understand that? Or if you don't, or if you know, but you take it for granted that male can get rid of analog life faster than females. It's a quality given by nature. I can't help it. It's a nature, whatever nature has given, in that I can't help it. You have to only use it. You can only use it, nothing else. So, there is एक ना वो छोटी सी एक वो क्वेश्चन आता है मार्केट में, बहुत पहले से आया हुआ है, मुर्गी पहले आई या अंडा? तो ना मुर्गी पहले आई ना अंडा, पहले तो मुर्गा आया, क्योंकि मुर्गी अगर पहले आई होगी तो वो अंडा दे ही नहीं सकती, और अंडा अगर पहले आया होगा तो वो उसका कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, वो तो बेकार है, फूट जाएगा, बेकार हो जाएगा। तो पहले मुर्गा आया, फिर मुर्गे को जो लगा उसने वो तैयार किया। तो भैया मेल के पास ये क्वालिटी है नेचर की दी हुई कि वो अपनी लाइफ को डिजिटल लाइफ आराम से कन्वर्ट कर सकता है, शिफ्ट कर सकता है बहुत आराम से। तो कोशिश करें अपनी लाइफ को मेल, ए कॉल टू मेल, आई प्लेज। तो मेल शुड प्लेज दैट आई विल मेक माई लाइफ डिजिटल so that other person's jealousy will not affect my life at all. Not profession, not career, not life. CC technology helps in achieving this fantastically, beautifully. It is expensive, mind it, because it gives you you can earn money by adopting any education, but you can earn good money, any amount, if you lead digital life. Good money. Other analog life, gives you money which may be good, may not be good. But digital life definitely will give you perfect, good money. Spend it for any purpose. It will not bring drawback of any kind. It will not create begging, or it will not create crime. World will become crime free. Digital life, no crime possible. Because I am able to protect myself from other people's jealousy. I am able to protect my family life, family also, from the jealousy of others. That is the key. So, this is the message which I wanted to give today. 15th अगस्त, स्वतंत्रता चाहिए, आजादी चाहिए एनालॉग लाइफ से. आज से आप ये शुरू करें, आजादी चाहिए एनालॉग लाइफ से, आजादी चाहिए एनालॉग लाइफ से, आजादी चाहिए एनालॉग लाइफ से. 15 अगस्त स्वतंत्रता दिवस की सबको बहुत 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 बधाई और डिजिटल लाइफ में जाने के लिए शुभकामना. तो इसी के साथ आज का एक संदेश समाप्त होता है. फिर मिलेंगे अगली बार.